Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're summarizing Why the Rich Are Getting Richer by Robert Kiyosaki, a powerful follow-up to his bestseller Rich Dad Poor Dad. In this book, Kiyosaki explains how the rich continue to accumulate wealth while the middle class and poor struggle. Through practical insights, real-world examples, and Kiyosaki's own experiences, this book sheds light on the financial education gaps and strategies used by the wealthy to grow their fortunes. Chapter 1: The Rich Don't Work for Money. Key Concept. Kiyosaki begins by reiterating a key principle from Rich Dad Poor Dad: the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. While most people focus on earning a paycheck, the wealthy focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as real estate, businesses, and stocks. Lesson: if you want to get richer, stop relying solely on a salary and start building passive income streams through smart investments. Chapter 2: Understanding Financial Education. Key Concept. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education, which is often missing from traditional schooling. Kiyosaki argues that while schools teach students to be employees, they rarely teach them how to handle money, invest, or build wealth. Lesson: financial literacy is the foundation for getting rich. By learning about assets, liabilities, taxes, and cash flow, you can make smarter financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Chapter 3: The Importance of Taxes. Key Concept. Kiyosaki explains how the tax system benefits the wealthy. The rich use corporations and legal loopholes to minimize their tax burden, while the middle class and poor end up paying more in taxes. By understanding how taxes work, you can use them to your advantage. Lesson: learn how the rich use the tax code to reduce taxes through investments and business structures. This chapter stresses that being tax-savvy is a critical tool for growing wealth. Chapter 4: The Power of Debt. Key Concept. Unlike most people who see debt as something to avoid, the rich use debt as a tool to grow their wealth. Kiyosaki explains the difference between good debt, which generates income, and bad debt, which takes money out of your pocket. Lesson: leverage good debt, like real estate or business loans, to acquire assets that generate cash flow. Avoid bad debt, such as high-interest consumer loans, that only create financial burdens. Chapter 5: The Cash Flow Quadrant. Key Concept. Kiyosaki introduces the cash flow quadrant, which categorizes people into 4 groups: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. The rich focus on the right side of the quadrant, as business owners and investors, where they make money work for them. Lesson: moving from the left side, employee, self-employed, to the right side, business owner, investor, is key to getting rich. Develop businesses or investments that generate income even when you're not actively working. Chapter 6: Why Real Estate is Key to Wealth. Key Concept. Kiyosaki dedicates a significant portion of the book to real estate investing. He believes it's one of the best vehicles for growing wealth because it offers cash flow, tax advantages, and the potential for long-term appreciation. Lesson: investing in real estate allows you to use leverage, borrowed money, to increase returns, while also benefiting from tax breaks and monthly cash flow. If you're enjoying this summary, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful book summaries on personal finance, investing, and self-improvement. Don't miss out on future content that can help you achieve financial freedom. Chapter 7: The Stock Market and Wealth. Key Concept. Kiyosaki explains how the stock market can also be a powerful tool for wealth creation when approached with the right mindset. He cautions against speculative trading and instead advises investing in companies with strong fundamentals. Lesson: build a diversified portfolio of stocks that offer dividends and long-term growth potential. Understand the difference between trading for quick gains and investing for the long term. Chapter 8: Protecting Wealth. Key Concept. The rich not only focus on building wealth but also on protecting it. Kiyosaki discusses the importance of asset protection strategies, including insurance, trusts, and corporations. Lesson: use legal structures to protect your wealth from lawsuits, taxes, and unforeseen events. This chapter reinforces that wealth building is not just about making money, but also about safeguarding it. Chapter 9: Preparing for the Future. Key concept. Kiyosaki highlights the growing divide between the rich and everyone else, and how the economic landscape is changing. He encourages readers to prepare for financial shifts, such as market crashes or changes in the job market, by being proactive with their investments. Lesson: always stay ahead of the curve by continuing to invest in financial education, staying updated on economic trends, and being flexible with your financial strategies. Conclusion. In Why the Rich Are Getting Richer, Robert Kiyosaki reveals the strategies and mindset differences that set the wealthy apart. The key takeaway is that financial education, smart use of taxes and debt, and a focus on acquiring assets are the cornerstones of getting richer. By applying these principles, you can begin to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this summary helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more book summaries and tips on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Happy reading!